Hello everyone, welcome back to Learner's Manual. This is your Venkat, and in this video we will be discussing about control structures. So to know what is control structures, there are three types of it. One is sequential control structure, and the another one is selection control structure. The third one is iteration control structure. So basically, what do you know about a control structure? It's nothing but it's just a structure. It's just a structure how you are going to control a particular program. Okay, so let me explain to you using Eclipse Ide with an example. You'll understand very easily what are those control structures. So click on launch. So click on control structures. Go to SRC. Click on Control N. Create a package. Click on next. Give a name to a package. Click on finish. Now a package is created. Click Ctrl N. Create a class. Click on next. I am giving a sequential public static void main. Click on finish. So remove these comments. Okay, here I'm just going to produce a basic addition to make you understand what is sequential. Okay, so I am taking three variables. They are a, b and c. Int a, int b, int c. Okay, and a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, is equal to a plus b. C is not used. Okay, sys out c. See, now it's gone. Now c is being used. Control S. Just run the program. You'll get 30. See, 30. So this is sequential. It's running line by line. First a is being executed, next b, then next c, then c is being executed here, and it's being printed here. So I'm going to debug it. Run debug as Java application. Okay, so debugging it from here, starting switch. See here, now int a is equal to 10, f6, int b is equal to 20. Now it will be here. See here, see over here. Next it will take int c is equal to a plus b, 30, and it's printed here. So this is the order, sequential order. It's running sequentially. First it's taking the arguments, then taking the value of a, then taking the value of b, then it's printing the c value by adding a and b. These two are being added and then printed at c. So this is sequential. If you want to know what is selection, then use the same function. Just print if I'm using if statement here for sequential. If A is greater than B, sys out print C. Okay. Else sys out tell B is greater. B is greater. See, now I am going to run it. Okay. So you are getting B is greater. Got the point, right? A is not greater. So if I type 30 here and save and run, then you will get 50. Now it's A is greater. Show you how it works. 10, Control S. I'm going to debug it. See, first it's taking int A is equal to 10, first value, F6, B is equal to 20, then it's adding C is equal to A plus B, then value for C is equal to 13, then it will go directly to else part, and it will print system.out.println B is greater. See here, B is greater, and it's terminated. See, so this is how a selection control structure works. Okay. So now let's take, so to make you guys understand, iteration is nothing but it's just a repetition of the same step multiple times. So now while I am giving while statement, and while loop A is less than or equal to 10, just I am giving 10, and I am giving the value for A is equal to 1. System.out.println print A. Okay, and I am giving A plus plus semicolon. So this is very important here. It's called as updation. If you are not going to update the value, then the loop will be infinite times. So now I am printing A plus plus. Okay, so you will be getting till 10. If I am not using this, see, if I am not using this and I am printing, 1 will be printed n number of times. See, it's printing till last. So until the heap memory is full, it will be printed, or else until you stop, you terminate it, it will be going on printing. So this is called as iteration control structure or looping. While loop A plus plus is called updation, and A less than or equal to 10 is called as initialization. First you are going to initialize it, then you are going to update it. Okay, Control S, run. So you will be having 1 to 10, the numbers will be printed here. So this is all about control structures. So there are in selection there are statements like if else, nested if, ladder if, are known as selections control structures. So if we come to iteration, there are known as while loop, do while loop, for loop, for each loop. This all comes under iteration. So These are known as control structures, and that's all about control structures. So take care. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.